As a fan of coconut, I do not joke with anything made with coconut. If you love coconut, then you should love this banger. Hello, my creative bangers. Let's clock it together. All right. In here, I have my freshly squeezed coconut milk. This coconut milk is coming from the same coconut that we used to make our coconut bread. In case you haven't seen our free masterclass on how to make coconut bread, you need to see that particular video. So this milk is freshly squeezed homemade coconut milk, not a store-bought one. In there, I added 1 egg and butterscotch flavor mixed to combine very well. Set it aside. In another bowl, you are going to sift in your flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Then I move in with the dry ingredients. I added sugar, milk flavor, baking powder, and salt. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. Once that is done, now you are going to move in with 2 tablespoons of either butter or margarine. Now, creative bangers. I forgot to add the coconut flakes. Remember, in our coconut bread recipe, we added the flakes. You can see I inserted a picture of that. Please, you need to add the flakes while rubbing in the margarine, okay? I can never deceive you. I'm always transparent on whatever I show you guys here. Okay, go ahead and rub in the margarine and the coconut flakes together before moving in with the coconut milk. Now, my coconut milk wasn't enough. That's why I added extra water. If you have enough coconut milk, please use only the milk, all right? I'm only adding water because my coconut milk wasn't enough. Shout out to you, Ruth, watching from Ghana, Lorraine from Zimbabwe, Mrs. Nkosi from Malawi, Sylvia, watching from Enugu Agadi, and Debbie, all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. Aww. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, I continue to mix till I come to a batter just like this one. Look at the batter. You can see that it's not too watery. This is how yours should be. All right. Once that is done, I am going to rub in little oil on my palm. Now, this is going to help me to mold and drop properly or without the dough or the batter sticking on my palm. Mold and drop. Mold and drop. If you are with me at this moment, type mold and drop. Mold and drop into a deep hot moderate oil. Now, if you have your beautiful nails on, maybe you don't want to mold and drop just like ladies here, you can use an ice cream scooper to scoop into the hot oil. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference. Once it is golden brown like so, look at those bangers. They are banging. It came out so well. Take it out of the hot oil. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for this banger recipe. Very simple and easy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, it turned out so well now. Do you love your buns soft or crunchy? As for me, I'm always at the crunchy side. Look at the inside. Oh my word, very delicious. The flavor from the coconut, I don't need to tell you, it was more than yummy. I want you to give it a try and get back to me as usual. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.